2019, he traveled to Durham, North Carolina to visit the Rhine Research Center.
Hello.
Hi, I'm John Kruth, the Executive Director of the Rhine.
I'm Nick.
Nice to meet you, Nick. Come on in with me. I have someone I'd like you to meet.
Great, thank you.
John has been developing a new method to detect and measure psychic abilities.
Nick, this is Ed Edwards.
Hi, great to meet you.
Good to meet you, Nick.
Talk me through this. What are we looking at here, and what are you going to do, Ed?
Okay, this equipment here, what it does is pick up the electrical energy I generate in my brain, and I'm able to control it.
How do you do that? I mean, talk me through what you actually think.
I can feel the different electrical sensations in my head that I consciously control.
Like a tingling, or?
Yeah, tingling, magnetics, electrical sensations. And then out on my own, I've learned to generate these high energies in my hands. And for example, you know what neuropathy is in people? Feet go numb and everything. I can apply this energy to that, and the neuropathy will clear up in about 4 minutes in about 8 out of 10 people.
So it's like you're activating something.
Ed talks about helping people to activate their immune systems, helping them to deal with physical problems. And I'm wondering, what is the mechanism behind this healing?
And that's what we're going to be testing here, right?
This is something I can demonstrate that really most other people can't.
I'd love to see this.
Okay, well, let me turn it on. Okay, now I'm gonna hold these 2 units right here, and all they're doing is picking up the electrical energy in my body.
So from a scientific perspective, this machine measures static electricity and static fields. And Ed is apparently generating static fields.
So if I want that thing to go to the right, I pull on the right side of my brain. If I want it to go on the left, I pull it on the left side of my brain. You tell me when, I'll pull it back to the right.
So if I was to say right, you would, and left, and right again? Without these controls, just to be clear, this doesn't move at all.
If there's any ambient static fields in the area, it'll wiggle around a little bit. One of the things we thought is maybe it has to do with pressure he's exerting on it. As he increases pressure on one side, it moves one way or the other. But as you can see, he can also have this effect without touching.
Without touching it, I can hold it over there. I can pull it back there. Mentally, I'm just changing polarity in my head, or going from one side to the other.
Removing any physical contact with the machine, Ed has just demonstrated something many would consider impossible. He moved the toggle using only the power of his mind.
Sounds like you're at the real forefront of some cutting-edge research here.
Well, it's difficult to find people who are able to consistently have these sorts of effects. And the fact that Ed has consistent effects allows us to explore the phenomena in a lot more detail.
Now, at the UVA studies, they do the extensive EEG brain mapping on me. And what they've learned about my brain compared to all the other EEGs is just freaking them out up there. My brain is operating on all levels of consciousness all at the same time.
Typically, the human brain generates specific brainwaves while in different states of consciousness. But neuroscientists who have studied Ed's brain claim it is capable of generating all of these separate brainwaves simultaneously.